I have no idea what I'm doing. Today's walk is up to the Cirque de Gavarnie, which is that range of mountains in the distance there. It might look quite small, but it's actually very big. It's just because it's far away.
Okay, one last time. These are small, but the ones out there are far away. Small, far away. Forget it.
Hello, horsey. You want to take me to the top? Oh, you said nay. Nestled in the Pyrenees Mountains is the Cirque de Gavarnie. Designated a heritage site by UNESCO, the semicircle of cliffs, complete with various gushing waterfalls, the highest of which being 413 metres, the biggest of all in France, is certainly worth the 4 to 5 hours of round-trip hike to get there from the village of Gavarnie at the foot of the hills. For me, it was a fun, if slightly strenuous hike, well worth the effort for the payoff at the end to stand under the waterfall, and the views weren't half bad either. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Ever closer, almost there. This last bit is so difficult. It's really steep. There's tiny little pebbles. Just slip everywhere. See down where we come from. Finally made it up to the waterfall. Feels like it's raining. Whew. Alright, let's get down. The mountain looks a bit like a pool. Château de Puilaurens. So there you go. This section is called the maze because it has many twists and turns designed to slow down attackers. You can also see the arrow slits in the walls up here, which would have also slowed down the attackers to a dead stop. very steep going up. You can see here where you can fire down upon your invading attackers. And up there, not easy, not fun. And then you reach the first gate, and then the second gate, and then the third gate, and this is a narrow place. They would have narrowed you down in here. You can see all the arrow slits. The kill zone before you get in. Would be a place of heavy attrition trying to get into this one. I think there's a door over here. Shoes have no grip. There's a viewpoint that looks down over the village. They've got a great view down here of all the valley. You can see why they chose to build their castle up here. Now we get up onto the ramparts. Look on the other side of the valley. In here is a gallery where they used to store food. There are holes in the natural rock up by the side of the castle. It's quite a lot cooler here. I can really feel a breeze coming through. And here is the poo hole. You do your business, and it just slides out the side of the castle. Walking up to Château de Quéribus, another Cathar castle. This one is a spooky castle, inhabited by ghosts. You can tell because it's up in the clouds. Who said that? What's going on? Ah! And there it is, lurking out of the mists. Another set of difficult winding steps, designed to confuse and kill. It's really steep. Spectacular view of the valley. Literally see the clouds blowing in. have made it to the top, and now enjoy the view. I've got a brilliant idea. Let's build a castle on top of a mountain and nobody will be able to see us. Yeah, but we won't be able to see anybody either. Yes, it'd be brilliant. Stay on me.